Hello, Vyron Kinson here with All Hands On. Is it true that more Black people are dying as a result of the coronavirus? No, not necessarily. It seems that many Black people have other health complications that pop up. Things such as hypertension or high blood pressure, diabetes, or obesity. These complications can allow the coronavirus to have a bigger impact on their health. So, is the coronavirus specifically impacting members of the Black community? No. It seems to be impacting the whole world. But it seems that news reports and the media are focusing on the Black community specifically because of those previous health complications. Now, just like any other member of the community, if Black people pay attention to their doctor's advice and follow their instructions, they can live a prosperous and long life. But if you ignore your doctor's instructions and don't follow his advice, then your health will deteriorate and you could possibly be impacted and even die from the coronavirus. Recently, the CDC published some information on April the 18th, 2020. And in that information, they published their research that they gathered relating to mortality rates among different ethnicities. And they recognized that among the Black community, there was an increase in mortality based on those other health complications causing the coronavirus to impact that community on a bigger scale.